In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google Docs for creating a custom drawing. This guide will walk you through the steps of inserting, adjusting, and saving a drawing within your Google Doc. It's a great way to enhance your document with visual elements. To kick things off, open your Google Doc and look towards the menu at the top. Hover over to the Insert option. This is your gateway to adding different elements beyond just text. By clicking on Insert, you'll see a drop-down menu pop up. It's packed with various options, but today we're interested in finding Drawing. Once you click on Drawing, you'll have another choice to make. Here, select New. This will open up the drawing canvas where you'll have a fresh, blank slate. It's like having a mini art studio right inside your document. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to craft your visual ideas as if you had a piece of paper and some colored pencils. Within this new canvas, direct your attention to Shapes. Clicking on this will display a menu full of different shapes you can choose from. Whether circles, rectangles, or arrows, pick the one that best suits your purpose. Select it, and it will follow your cursor to the canvas, ready to be sized to fit your vision. Now drag your selected shape to your desired size. Don't worry if it's not quite right at first, it's easy to adjust. You can always click and drag the corners to resize or reshape it. It's about getting it just how you want it, so take a moment to play around until it feels right. With your shape in place, it's time for a bit of customization. Google Docs gives you some neat tools to change colors, border styles, and more. Don't hesitate to experiment a little with color and style options. This personalization is what makes your document feel truly yours. Next, add some lines if needed. Lines can help connect shapes or emphasize sections of your drawing. It's the little details like these that can add greater depth and understanding to what you're illustrating. If one shape isn't enough, go ahead and start over by selecting another shape. This adds complexity and interest to your drawing. Once again, drag it to a perfect spot just as seamlessly as you did the first time. Duplicating shapes can also be a real-time saver. Simply copy and paste the shape and customize it further to suit your needs. You'll find this particularly handy if you need to repeat the same visual element across your drawing. When everything looks just right, consider adding highlights for additional emphasis. The highlight feature is great for drawing attention to critical parts of your creation. Finally, once you're satisfied with your drawing, click on Save and Close. This will embed your masterpiece directly into your document, fitting seamlessly with the text you've already composed. And there you have it. You've just learned how to navigate Google Docs' drawing feature, optimizing your document with creative visuals. Experiment freely with these tools to make your documents not only informative but also visually